Now, do you want to do the fruit of the Spirit?
Was that a favorite?
What is the fruit of the Spirit, Isaac? Love.
Joy. Peace. Kindness. I took some paper.
Yeah, kindness.
Goodness.
Gen-
Faithfulness.
Gentleness. And
Self-control.
that's right.
This goes to the TV.
That goes to the TV. What are you wearing, Isaac?
I'm like little pumpkin.
You look like a little pumpkin. Yes, you do. You love that costume, don't you?
This costume. That's a costume. Mommy,
That's actually,
shoot it.
it's a telescope, I think.
Can Mommy do it?
Yeah, I'll do it. Can you say bye-bye to the video?
Bye-bye, video.